Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says if a equals to this, b equals to this, and a plus b whole square, equals to a square plus b square, then the value of a and b is. Now, if you will observe this equation, sir, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square. Sir, it is wrong because a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Correct now? But you cannot apply this thing over here. The normal algebra is different, matrix algebra is different, vector algebra is different. You guys can apply the formulas that you have studied in the normal algebra into matrix algebra if matrix are commute. Right now you don't have any idea, so have patience. Can I write down this thing as a plus b times a plus b? You know that matrix follows the order, so a with a will become a square, a with b will become ab, then b with a will become ba. Matrix follows the order. If b comes first, you have to write b first, and then b into b will become b square. So here we have a square plus b square. Now you guys can play fruit ninja. A square gone, b square gone. So can I write ab equals minus of ba? So this is the idea. So these two matrices are anti-commute. Okay, so first try to calculate AB. So it is 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 A, then B, A B 1 minus 1, then minus of B, first B, A B 1 minus 1, and then 1 2 minus 1 minus 1. Now you guys can do the multiplication part. So to get this element, you have to this is A11, first row, first column. So multiply this with this. So we will have A minus B. Then this is A12, first row with second column. So it is 1 plus 1. Okay. Now to get this element 2 1 means second row, column 1. So we will have 2A minus B. This is A22, second row with second column. So it is 2 plus 1. Okay, this is minus. Now let's multiply. This is A11, first row, first column. So it is A plus 2. Then A12, first row with second column. So it will become minus A minus 1. Okay. Then we have A21, second row, first column. So it will become B minus 2. Then A22. So it will become minus of B plus of 1. Okay. Now you guys can simplify the equation. A minus B, 2A minus B, 2, 3. I will send minus inside. So minus A minus 2 minus B plus 2, A plus 1, and then B minus 1. Now these two matrices are equal. Okay, if two matrices are equal, we guys can compare the elements. So first element, or else you guys can go with these two things. So can I write 2 equals A plus 1? So A will become 1. So we got the value of A as 1, and also you guys can compare these two things. So 3 equals B minus 1. So the value of B becomes 4. So the value of A is 1, 4. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.